Hey everybody, I want to welcome you to your last day of super chemistry. Holy cow, it's been a journey. All right, so a couple things. You do have some work to do today. We're going to work a little bit on semiconductors, and I have two videos I want you to watch. All right, so they've been posted. Go ahead and watch those. And then there's some textbook reading too that I want you to kind of look through. All right, but it is the last topic. Um, which means since we're done with material, we are ready for the unit test. And hopefully you guys know um, that it's this Friday. Okay, so the unit test will be Friday. I think we'll go 9 to 11. I'll give you 2 hours. I haven't quite finished it yet, but I'm getting there. So it'll be about a 2 hour test. Remember, it'll cover thermodynamics, it'll cover electrochemistry, and it'll cover polymers, nanotechnology, and semiconductors. So make sure you go back through all of that material. It's the fourth unit test. Remember, I drop your lowest one. So if you've done very well up until this point, you're in good shape. But if you did poorly on one of the unit tests, this is a chance to get that poor grade dropped. So you want to definitely work on that kind of stuff. Some other information. So after today, we are officially done with lectures, so there's no more material. We have the unit test on Friday. Now, generally in college, you have a week off before your final exam starts, and it's usually called a recitation week. And I'm going to do that same thing. I'm going to give you a week off, and it's not a week off, it's really just a week to study. All right, so the unit test is scheduled for May 5th. It's going to be 2.5 hours long. So it's going to start at 9. It'll go till 11:30. I have seen it. I am going to change some of it. They've switched the format, so I want to talk a little bit about it. I did turn it into a Google form, so it's going to be similar to what you do on your unit tests. However, there are multiple choice questions and short answers. So you're not just going to have multiple choice, you're going to have to fill in some short answer stuff. And I will grade those individually by hand. And yes, you can receive some partial credit depending on how you answer. There are about 45 questions total. It's not an easy exam. Okay. I posted some of the old final exams, and I would definitely go back through and study and do those exams, right? So those exams do a nice review of the material. So make sure you do that. Let's see, other things that you need to know. I had an email with SUPA yesterday. They are emailing out to you course surveys. I think they said they're coming out sometime around the 1st of June. Make sure that you do those and send them back. Right? If you don't do them, they're going to be pestering you. So I don't think it's that extensive. Just make sure you do them and email them back to the SU. Once we're done with the final on the 5th of June, we're actually completely done. I'm not having you do anything after the final exam. Technically, I'm supposed to teach you guys until the 15th, but we're done. You guys are done. All right, you did it. You've done a great job. So after the 5th, we're done. Problem is, I need to make sure that you get me your materials back. So you have the textbook and you have the flash drive. Okay, that's about $500 total per person. So I need to have those back for next year. I know the school district is working on how they're going to do that. I think it's going to be. I think there's going to be time at the high school between the 15th and the 17th to go and drop stuff off. As soon as I have more information, I will let you know. If you can't make those dates and you live near me, you can come and drop them off at my step. As long as I get it back, I don't care. All right, so just once we know more about how drop-off's is going to happen, all right, we'll make more plans. But it's really important that I get them back. I just got numbers for next year, and there are 53 people signed up. and I don't know if I have enough materials, even if you guys bring me all the stuff back. So just make sure, we got to make sure that that happens. Last thing before I set you free for the day, I'm not going to be really posting anything. Well, I'm not going to post anything for you to do. I will be posting every once in a while just informational stuff. So make sure you keep checking Google Classroom. I'll probably post some more information on the final exam just to make sure that you're ready. So just periodically check into Google Classroom and make sure you're not missing out on anything. I think that's all I have for now. Please make sure to study. If you have any questions, throw me an email. And I guess that's it for today. Have a good afternoon, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.